Hello students, today I am going to discuss a grade 6 mathematics paper for the upcoming first term test. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, quickly do it, then you can get more videos like this. If you answer these revision papers well, you can get a high mark easily for your first term test. Now we'll go to the paper and discuss it. Question number 1, A part. There are 7 cards numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Then in part 1, write the largest number you can write using all the cards each at once in standard form. We are asking the largest number that we can write. Here there are 7 digits here. So we can use the number zones, million zone, thousand zone and unit zone. In million zone there should be 1 digit. That digit should be 8 because we want the largest number. Then we have to use the largest digit here as the first digit, that is 8. Then the largest one is 7, then 6, then 4, then 3, 2, 1. Then this is the largest number that you can write. Then second part, write how you read that number. How to read this? This goes to the million zone, this is in the thousand zone and this one is in the unit zone. So we can read this as 8 million. 8 million. Then 764,000. 764,000. Then 321. 321. This is the answer for the second part. Then third question, third part here. What is the smallest number you can write using all the cards with odd numbers from the above? What are the odd digits here? What are the odd numbers here? 1 is odd. Then 3 and then 7. These are the only odd numbers. So, smallest number that you can write. To take the smallest number, we have to choose the smallest digit here. That is 1. 1, then 3, then the next one is 7. This is the smallest number that you can write using the odd numbers. Then question number 4. What is the value represented by 7 in the number written in 3? Here 7 is in the ones place. The place value in the ones place is 1. So 1 multiplied by 7 equal to 7. So 7 is represented by the digit 7 in the number. Then B part, represent 2043 in an abacus. We want 2043. We want 4 odds here as the number is with 4 digits. We want 4 odds. Then you have to write the place values below each digit here. Here the place value is 1, here 10, then 100 and 1000. Then in this rod, first rod with place value 1, one's place rod, how many counters do you have to draw here? 3. 1, 2, 3. In the next rod we want 4 counters. Then next rod no counters, 0. Then last rod we want to draw two counters. This is the way we can represent 2043 in an abacus. Question number 2, A part. Write the suitable numbers in the blanks. Here the first one is an addition. So how to take the digit here? Here the addition is 2. So to take the digit 2 here we have to write 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Then 1 is remaining here. Then to become 0 here we want here 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Then 1 goes to the next column. Then total addition is 8 here. Then the second one, here 0, here 8. Then this is subtraction. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now what is remaining in this? 7. 7 minus what goes to 0? 7 minus 7, this should be 7. Then 6 minus 2 is 4. Now this is the way we are writing the digits in the blanks here. Then next one, B part, this is a multiplication. We want to simplify this. To multiply 421 from 56, we want to multiply by each digit. 6 times 1 is 6, then 6 times 2 12, 1 is remaining. 6 times 4 24 plus 1 is 25. Then what is from multiplying by 5? 5 times 1 5. Then 5 times 2 is 10. 1 is remaining. Then 5 times 2 20. 21. 20 plus 1 is 21. Then you have to take the addition. 6. Here 7. 5. 3. 2. So this is the answer. Question number 2 in the second B part. 6816 divided by 16. It is easy when you do this by the long division method. 16 times 4 is 64. Now 4 is remaining. Now take 1 here. Then 16 times 2, 32. Then what is remaining now? 9. Then take this 6 here. Then 16 times 6 is 96. Remaining is 0. The answer is 426. Question number 3, A part. Write the given letters in the related blank. We are given this diagram. First question, A is to the north of A. O is here. So north of O is this one. So we have to write A in this cage. Then second one, B is to the west of O. B is to the west of O. B is here. Then third one, C is to the southeast of O. Southeast here, then southeast in this direction. C is in this cage. Number 4, D is to the northeast of O. Northeast, northeast. Northeast is in this direction. So we have to draw D in this cage. Then B part. Write the type of angle you get when you measure the direction clockwise starting from the north. Okay, in B, first question. Angle between north and east. North is here, east is in this direction. The angle between the two main directions is a right angle. So the answer is right angle. Then in second one, angle between north and southeast. North and southeast is here. So we have to measure the angle in this direction clockwise. So this is the angle you have to take. What is this angle? An obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is the answer. Then third one, angle between north and east, north and south. Angle between north and south. South is here. This is the angle we have to take. So the angle is a straight angle. Straight angle. Then fourth part, angle between north and northwest. North and then northwest is here, this direction. So we have to take this large angle. So what is this angle? This is a reflex angle. Reflex. So this is the answer. Then in C part, write whether the two ropes of a swing are vertical or horizontal when it is at rest. If I draw a small swing like this, this is the way I can draw the item. So the ropes, two ropes are in its vertical position. So vertical is the answer. Question number 4, A part. Yasara spent 2 minutes and 56 seconds to complete a running event. Hiruni spends 12 seconds more than Yasara to complete the same. First question, how much time did Hiruni take to complete the event? To find Hiruni's time, we have to add 12 minutes to the time taken by Yasara. Minutes, seconds. First part, minutes, seconds. Yasara's time is 2 minutes 56 seconds. We have to add 12 seconds. 12 seconds to this. Then what is the answer? 6 plus 2 is 8. Then 5 plus 6 is 5 plus 1 is 6. We can't keep 68 here. The maximum time that can be written here is 59 because 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. We have to take 60 seconds to the minute side. Then the remaining here is 8 seconds. So what is the answer in this one? Now, the total time is 3. So 3 minutes 8 seconds is the answer. Then second part, find the total time spent by them both. For that we have to add the time taken by both the students. Yasara's time is 2 minutes 56 seconds. Then next one 3 minutes 8 seconds. You have to take the addition. Here the addition is 14. Then 1 goes to the next side. 5 plus 1 is 6. You can't keep 64 here. Then 4 seconds is remaining. Now we have to take 1 minute to the minute side. Then the addition is 6. 6 minutes 4 seconds. Then question number 3. If the event started 10 minutes past 2 in the afternoon, find the time they both ended the event separately and represent it in the standard form. How to find that? 10 minutes past 2 means 2:10 p.m. If you write it in the standard form, 13 hours, then 2 minutes. Then you have to add, to find Yasara's ending time, we have to add 2 minutes 56 seconds here. 2 minutes, then 56 seconds. This is in seconds. Then the addition, 56, here 4, here 13. 13 hours, 4 minutes and 56 seconds. Then for Hiruni, this is for Yasara. Then for Hiruni, the same time, starting time. Then Yasara's time taken is 3 minutes 8 seconds. 3 minutes 8 seconds. Then take the addition. 8, here 5, then 13. 13 hours, 5 minutes 8 seconds. Then in B part, we are asking to do this simplification. Days, hours, 12 days, 16 hours. Then 4 days, 21 hours. Addition. 6 plus 1 is 7. Here 37. You can't keep 37 here. So you have to take 24 as 1 day into the days column. Then what is remaining here? 37 minus 24 is 13. 13 hours is remaining. Then the total addition here is 17. So 17 days, 13 hours is the answer. Question number 5, A part. The number of hours of power cut due to different zones. Question number 5, A part. The number of hours of power cut to different zones named A, B, C, D is as follows. In the column we have zones and number of hours with the power cut. Then first one, draw the number line. We have to draw a number line. All are with positive values. So I am starting from 1 here. 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7. Then in part 2, mark A, B, C, D according to the above table on the number line drawn in 1. In A we have 2 hours. So in this one we have we can use a small dot and mark A here. Then B 1 hour. D is here. Then C 4 hours. Then last one D 6 hours. This is the way we are marking that on the number line. Then third question, what is the zone with the least number of hours of power cut? The zone with the least number of hours is B. It is with 1 hour. So part 4 here. Find the sum of the numbers of hours of the power cut to the zones A and C. And then find the zone with an equal number of hours of power cut to that. In A and C, A is with 2 hours, 4 hours, C 4 hours, then the addition is 6 hours. That goes to the number of hours in D. So, the addition is 6 hours, then that is equal to D zone. Then part B. Use the suitable inequality sign to fill the blank. First one, -1, then blank 0. Second one, 2 blank minus 2. What are the inequality signs we are using here? If you take minus 1 and 0, among these two, 0 is the largest one. So the open side goes towards 0 and the pointer should goes towards minus 1. Then from 2 and minus 2, 2 is the largest one. Then the open side goes towards 2 here. These are the signs we are using in this. Section number 6, A part. Name 2 incidents where you use estimation in day-to-day life. What are the instances? We can find the number of bananas in a banana cane without counting all the number of bananas. We can do this one. Find the number of bananas in one comb and then multiply it by with the number of combs. Then to take a rough value about the number of students in a school, we can use that. B part. The rounded off number of books that Anya had to the nearest 10 is 50. She gave 11 books out of that to her sister. The rounded off number of books Anya now has to the nearest 10 is 30. First part. What is the number of books Anya had initially? If Anya had 44 earlier, 45 earlier, when it is rounded off, this goes to 50. Then if 11 is subtracted from that, it becomes 34. Now when it is rounded off, it goes to 30. Then for part 1, the answer is 45. Then question number 2, what are they asking? What is the number of books Anya has now? That is 34. 11 are given to his sister. C part, first question. The number of hours an athlete was training is 4 hours and 20 minutes. Find the time he was training in minutes. We have to convert these 4 hours 20 minutes into minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Then 60 should be multiplied by 4 plus 20. This is in minutes. 60 times 4 is 240 plus 20 is 260. 260 minutes is the answer. Then second part here. What time, write the time a day is starting in International Standard Method. The starting time of a day is 0 hours, 0 minutes. You can write it like this.